everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to create your own template in Notion. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Notion.so website and log into your account. After logging in guys and creating your first Notion, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the pages that you have in your Notion. If you look at the left side of the screen guys, you can see that here you have the search bar, you can see updates, here is your team spaces page, and here are your pages that you have. So guys, let's say that you want to create a new template that you will be able to use later on, that you will not have to create from zero again, so that you can just copy it and use it sometime in the future. The first thing you want to do guys is you have to go ahead and either create a new page or find the page that you want to use as a template. Then going to go ahead and create a new page by clicking this plus button right here guys next to the page's name, and now this will open up this new page where we'll be able to create a new page. And what you want to do guys is go ahead and edit it the best way you want. You can create it and to look any way you want, and later on you will use that as a template. So I'm going to type in tutorial template, and now guys here you can successfully, as you can see, you can either import from other websites, you can use already made templates if you want, you can create a new table and so on. We do not want to use our template, so we're going to go ahead and type in something like, let's go ahead and create a gallery. Here we're going to create a gallery, we can use data sources and so on. So guys, after you're satisfied with creating your page, now you will be able to use this as a template. So guys, if you want to use this as a template, all you have to do is go right here where the three dots are next to the name of the page right here, and you can use duplicate or either copy link, but you can use duplicate guys. And now you have not only created a new page that looks like the identical one as the last one, you can edit it now to be different from the original one. You can also export the page by going right here in the upper right corner and clicking on the three dots right here. This will open up a new drop down menu guys where you can export the page. So you can successfully export the page, and then later on you can import the page right here at the left side of the screen guys if you want to use that template again. So yeah guys, that's how you do it, that's how you basically create your template. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.